This woman rescued 3 adorable kittens.
That were screaming and crying, sitting in a tire, waiting for mama to come back. There's another tire. Oh my gosh, I think we found them, guys. Little babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they seem to be here. Coda, get back, get back. These are not toys. So we're gonna put 1, we're gonna put 2 and 3. I know you're hungry.
Since they are starving, she feeds them all.
She's gonna take the bottle because it's the first time feeding. Oh my goodness, these babies. Oh, hang a bit, little buddy. Look at him go. This little one is a girl, and these 2 little orange ones are a boy.
If you think they are cute, like and subscribe.